Hi everyone, I'm Jamil here, and today in this video I'm going to share what is the arts classes, how to prepare for the arts classes for the eye test, what is the requirement of eye test, what is the ban in eye test, and what are the syllabus in the arts test. So arts is the international English language test when any persons want to move from one country to any English country where people's native language is English. Their requirement is they ask the persons to pass the test. That name is IELTS test, and after that persons will be eligible and capable to uh, move to that country. So here are two type of the IELTS requirement is one is IELTS general and other is IELTS academic. So if any persons want to move to any English country on any study purpose, their requirement is IELTS academic. But if any persons want to move to English country for any sort of job, for any work immigrant, they require the IELTS general. So IELTS general or IELTS academics, these are two these are two types of the IELTS that are required, and there are two international organizations and institutions that are conducting IELTS tests. One is the British Council, that is related to a UK, and other is the Australian Council, that are related to the Australia. So these are two institutions that are conducting the IELTS classes, and in IELTS general and IELTS academics, the preparation is not much different, but here are the four type of the materials and four type of the study things you need to be prepare. One is listening, reading, writing, and the speaking. So they see your four skills in the IELTS test. In the four skill, the motives to see these four skill, they just want to analyze, they just want to determine that you can speak really well, you can hear really well, you can write really well, you can read really well, so that when you move to this country, you not feel any sort of hassles while talking with other people, while speaking with other people, while reading and while writing. So first in the speaking test, you appear like the intro in front of the persons, and he asks you some sort of the question. He just wants to know that he is able to speak fluently, efficiently, accurately, and with good vernacular, with good pronunciation, so that he or she who going to move that English country can easily speak with other person, as many persons are native English there, and he not feel any hassles while he moves to that country. So other is the listening skill. So in the listening skill, they play any sort of audio, and they provide you the headphone where you listen, where you hear different sort of audio list speakings, and after that you need to give the answers of different questions. So answer are analytical answer, in which they see different statistics that how much the answer you are able to answer it, so that they can get your capability, that how much English you can listen or you can comprehend and you can answer it. And after that after the listening skill, there is your other reading skill. They give you different sort of the page in which they give you different material, and where you read and answer the different questions. So they just want to see your capability, how speedily, accurately, efficiently, and promptly you answer these all reading passage, reading sentences, and reading material. And after that, your writing skill. So writing skill is also depend how much you have capability to write different material, because this is not writing like this, you listen something, you write it. This is something they give you any sort of report, any sort of small sentences, small passage of word, and where you need to complete your story, need to complete your sentences, need to complete your passage, need to complete your paragraph, and then you will be able to answers to give the answer of that question that particular they want to ask it. So these are four skills. If you enhance in yourself, you will be able to get good grades in arts. So in the arts, the grade, the name is bands. So these are the different bands. The maximum bands in the arts is like 9 band, and most requirement related to study is 6+ band. But some universities like Oxford or Harvard University are like any international business schools or any doctoral degree, they mostly require 7+ band. But in the arts, academic related to study, as I already told you in the start of this video. So apart from it, if you wanna move for any sort of work or immigrant purpose, then it must be 7+ band is your requirement, especially when you're going to move for any sort of hard job and you have the experience, you have the expertise. Definitely they are expecting that you can speak well, your communication skill is really well. So if you want to enhance your communication skill so that you're able to enhance your speaking skill, please see my video in which I particularly told different tips and techniques how to enhance your communication skill. So in the next video, I'll share also the different ideas and different techniques how you can enhance your report writing skill, your reading skill, and your writing skill and your pronunciation skill. So till next video, please take care of yourself and goodbye.